Hello guys, in today's video I will talk about the suitable tank mates for a crayfish. Now let me start just by saying that if you are serious about keeping crayfish and if you want to give it the best possible environment, then I will seriously suggest you to not put any other fish or tank mate with a crayfish. Crayfishes are very aggressive and territorial. This is the natural instinct. So when they are in with other fishes in a single tank, then it is the natural instinct to attack the fish. Even if you keep two crayfish in a single tank, and if the tank is very small without adequate hiding spaces, then the two crayfish can fight each other to death. This is how territorial they are. That's why if you want to provide your crayfish the best possible environment, then it is suggested to not keep any other fish with your crayfish. Now I can understand it can be hard to look at a aquarium with only a single crayfish. Your aquarium will look mostly empty because crayfishes are generally very nocturnal, so at the day you will not be able to even see it. It will stay hiding in its hiding spaces. So you may want to keep some tank mates, some fishes. I get that, especially if you are a beginner, you may seriously want to keep other fishes even though your crayfish can eat those fishes. So in this video what I will do is I will give you some general guidelines that will help you to choose relatively safer tank mates for your crayfish tank. Now the first thing is, when choosing tank mates for a crayfish, you will need to think about two aspects. The first aspect is the fish need to be fast moving. It can't be a slow moving fish like let's say betta fish or goldfish. If the fish is that slow, then the crayfish will have very easy time to hunt it down, catch it and kill it. So the fish needs to be very fast so that even if the crayfish tries to attack the fish can just dart away from the crayfish and save itself. And also the second thing is, it is better if the fish stays relatively at the top portion of the tank. If you take an aquarium, let's say this aquarium, we can divide it in three parts. This is the bottom part, this is the mid part, and this is the top part. Okay, now there are fishes that live in the top part, there are fishes that are more active in the middle part, and some are more active in the bottom part. Fishes like plecos, shrimps, crayfish, those things are bottom dwellers mainly, so crayfish will be mostly active at the bottom. So if you choose fishes that stay at the top of the aquarium, then it will be very hard for the crayfish to catch the fish and your fish will stay relatively safer. Okay, so these are some of the guidelines. Now you may ask me what fishes, specific fishes can you keep? Well, let me say that even these fishes are relatively safer, but I can't guarantee you that your crayfish won't be able to catch them, because no fish is absolutely safe for crayfish. With that being said, I will suggest small type of tetras that are fast moving, like neon tetra, amber tetra, then danios, hatchet fish, red-tailed shark. These kind of fishes will be relatively safer within a crayfish tank. Now for my personal recommendation, if you are okay with, let's say, losing a few of the fishes, then I will suggest you to keep live bearers in your crayfish tank. Now let me say that live bearers are relatively very cheaper than other ornamental fishes. Live bearers can include swordtail, molly, guppy, etc, etc. These fishes give birth to babies directly. There is no egg part in the middle. So and these fishes reproduce very quickly. Guppies can give babies after every 30 months, and at each time they can give babies up to 20 to 50 babies. So you know how quickly they can breed, right? So if you are okay with losing a few of the fishes, then keep guppies in your crayfish tank. Yes, your crayfish will be able to eat a few of them, but they will reproduce very quickly and your crayfish will not be able to keep up with the number of the guppies in the tank. So this is my overall suggestion on keeping suitable tank mates for your crayfish. The last most important thing is, Even though in home aquariums crayfish are generally the prey, crayfish is the one who hunts other down, but it can also be hunted down. Your crayfish can also turn out to be the food for other fish. If you keep crayfish in a monster fish tank like with arowana, cichlids, oscars, then giant gouramis, etc., then those fishes will easily eat your crayfish, and your crayfish will be dead within days. So you will need to think about that too. So this is all about the suitable tank mates for crayfish. If you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you like what I do, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.